Olympic Patrol Division officers responded to a radio call for a possible assault with a deadly weapon, a suspect there now, at the intersection of Western Avenue and Washington Boulevard. The comments of the call described a male white transient pointing what appeared to be a sawed-off shotgun.
City 911 operator 521.
Hi, yeah, I have a transient pointing what looks like a gun right here, heading towards the 10 West on, he's on Western and Washington, right across the street from the McDonald's. He's pointing at cars. It looks like a gun. It was a gun, right? Yeah.
And description of him?
White male with long hair.
What color clothing?
No, he was white.
Yeah. What color clothing?
Sorry?
What color clothing?
He was wearing a black shirt with jeans.
Black shirt, blue jeans. Do you know what kind of weapon? What kind of gun?
It's like a mini shotgun.
Like a sawed-off shotgun or something.
Okay. Your name and phone number?
My name is and my phone number is.
How do you spell your first name, ma'am? Okay. Listen, officers. Thank you.
Thank you.
Olympic units, ADW suspect, Western and Washington. Possible ADW suspect, Western and Washington, across from McDonald's. Suspect male white, long hair, black shirt, blue jeans, pointing mini shotgun at vehicles. Code 3 incident 1511 RD 2081.
Just head south there, see what we see. Right there. Northwest corner. Oh shit. 2097, we have eyes on the suspect. Western. Northbound on Western from 18.
Hey, jump it! Oh my God! Hey, control, one done. Southbound on Western only. Another suspect.
Hey, drop it! Drop it! Hey, drop it! Drop it! I got it. It's a pole. No. Hey, drop it! Fucking drop it! Drop it! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Hey, give him a...
Suspect still not complying with officer's demand, has not dropped the shotgun, now in the business, walking towards the middle of the street on 18th, just west of Western, walking away from officers now towards the south side of the street on 18th.
Hey, grab a 40, grab a 40, grab a 40. Grab a 40. Hey, hit him with another 40. Hey, hit him with another 40. What's up, Brady Loaded? Hey, hit him with another 40.
Roger, 40.
Get on the ground. Hey, hit him with another 40. Hey, hit him with another 40.
Where's up, Brady Loaded?
Hit him with another 40. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Where's up and ready? 40, 40, 40!
Hey, he dropped it. Hey, he dropped it. He dropped it.
Drop
Hey,
it.
drop it. Hey, get in the car. Hey, move up, move up.
Everybody standing outside, go back inside.
Ok, calmado.
The officers rendered medical aid to Gonzalez by applying a tourniquet until paramedics arrived. Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics responded and transported Gonzalez to a local hospital to be treated for the gunshot wounds he sustained as a result of the officer-involved shooting. While there, medical staff determined that his injury would require further treatment and admitted him into the hospital. Investigators recovered a black metal pipe with a handle, resembling a sawed-off shotgun at scene, and booked it as evidence.